welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you around 7-Eleven here in Taiwan. So brace yourself and welcome. This section, this is the first stand that you can see. After entering 7-Eleven, they have this ginseng drink, vitamins, and beside that is bread and some spread. Here are some books. They're selling books, chargers and everything. These are toys for the kids, and this is somehow some souvenir. This section, it's all toiletries from toothpaste, cotton buds, sanitary pads, tissue and wet tissues, some toner, body wash, shampoo, facial wash. And at the side there is some batteries of all kinds. This row, this is for kitchen essential. You have all the seasoning, cooking oil, vinegar, soy sauce, and everything that you need. At the end there's some wine and some liquor over there. Here, this section is for cleaning essential, from laundry detergent. As you can see, there's some dog food over there, socks, stockings, and other cleaning essentials, bleach, and for mosquitoes and everything, some disposable underwear. On this row, some coffee, biscuit, chips, and some other snacks. On this side of the fridge, where you can see some canned beer, section, it's all noodles, from cup noodles to pack noodles is here. On this section are the drinks, from cola, juices and such, water and flavored water is here. Then here is tea, milk tea, another row of tea. This row are for frozen goods, ice cream and everything. These section are for lunch boxes. This row are for pasta, sandwiches, salads, eggs. I bought one of my favorite drink, taro milk. On this section, it's all flavored tea. There you have it. Here are the milk section. One of my favorite drinks as well, apple milk. And then cafe, apple and malt milk. There you have some papaya and watermelon milk. Here some pudding, some fermented meat, pasta section, and salads. I'm gonna show you this. Is a seafood pasta, which I usually bought sometimes, and another one is bacon and cheese. There's the sandwich and the salads. This area is for chips. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. I might do a part 2 of this next time, so watch out for it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to push on the notification bell.